stop scrolling for a second. Today, I don't want you to just watch this video. I want you to speak with me. No translation, no memorizing long grammar rules, no sitting silently and thinking, I understand English, but I can't speak it. Today is different. This is day 7, full English practice. And if you've completed the previous days, congratulations. But now comes the most important part. Can you actually use English in real life? Let's find out. Welcome back to Speaking English. I'm Tom, and today we're going to practice English together through real-life situations. Here's the rule. When I ask you something, pause the video and answer out loud. Don't answer in your head. Don't whisper. Speak, even if your English isn't perfect, because nobody becomes a confident speaker by staying silent. All right, let's warm up. I'll ask you a simple question. How are you today? Don't say only, I'm fine. Come on, give me a real answer. You could say, I'm doing great today. Or, I'm a little tired, but I'm feeling good. Or even, I'm tired because I didn't sleep well last night. Now it's your turn. How are you today? Good. See? You just started speaking English. Now let's make it harder. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. They smile and say, Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? What would you say? You can say, Hi, nice to meet you too. My name is Tom. Simple. But let's make it more natural. Hi, nice to meet you too. I'm Tom. What's your name? That's how people actually speak. Now imagine the person asks, Where are you from? You can say, I'm from Pakistan. But don't stop there. Add another sentence. I'm London, but I currently live in New York. That's better. You're not just answering, you're building a conversation. Lonk. Now the person asks, What do you do? Don't panic. You can say, I work in an office. Or, I work as a data entry operator. Or, I work in safety training. And if you're a student, I'm a student. I'm currently studying business. See how easy that is? You don't need difficult vocabulary. You need simple English that comes quickly. Now let's try a real conversation. I'll be the other person. You are you. Ready? Liam. Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Nice. And where are you from? Interesting. What do you do? And what do you like doing in your free time? Maybe you said, I like watching movies, or I enjoy playing football, or I like listening to music. Perfect. Now here's something important. If you don't understand someone, don't just smile and say yes. Use these sentences. Sorry, could you say that again? Could you speak a little more slowly? Sorry, I didn't catch that. These sentences are extremely useful in real conversations. Now let's practice one more situation. You're at a coffee shop. The waiter asks, What would you like? Don't say, Give me coffee. Instead, say, I'd like a coffee, please. Or, could I have a coffee, please? Much more natural. Now the waiter asks, Would you like anything else? You say, No, that's all. Thank you. Simple, natural, confident. And that's exactly what we're building today. Not perfect English, useful English. Larkai pita. How we're going to take everything we practiced and put it together. This is where the real challenge begins. I'm going to give you situations. Your job is simple. Listen, think quickly, and answer in English. No translating. Ready? Homenuches spalsu. Hiniana signs and senin. You meet your friend after a long time. Your friend says, Hey, it's been a long time. How have you been? What do you say? Maybe. I'm doing well. I've been really busy lately. How about you? That's natural. Notice something. You don't need 10 sentences. Just give a simple answer and ask a question back. That's how conversations continue. Now, situation number 2. You're late for work. Your manager asks, "Why are you late?" Don't start giving a 5-minute speech. Say, "I'm sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic this morning." That's enough. Now imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter brings you the wrong order. What do you say? Don't say, "This is wrong." Try, "Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered." Then, "Could you please check my order?" Professional, polite, natural. Now let's make it more challenging. Imagine you're in an interview. The interviewer asks, "Tell me about yourself." This is where many English learners freeze. Don't. Take a breath and start simply. "Sure, my name is Tom. I'm a hardworking and motivated person. I have experience working with people and handling daily responsibilities. I'm also interested in learning new skills and improving myself." That's it. You don't need complicated words. Speak clearly, speak slowly, and sound confident. Now the interviewer asks, "What is your biggest strength?" You could say, "One of my biggest strengths is that I learn quickly. When I don't know something, I try to learn it and improve." Simple, strong, natural. Now let's move to everyday conversation. Your friend asks, "What are you doing this weekend?" You could say, "I'm not sure yet. I might stay home and relax." Or, "I'm planning to meet some friends." Or, and sound confident, "I'll probably watch a movie and get some rest." Now your friend says, "Do you want to come with us?" You want to go. Say, "Sure, I'd love to." You don't want to go? Say, "Thanks for inviting me, but I don't think I can make it." That's real English. That's the kind of English you can use tomorrow. Not next year. Tomorrow. Locker. Now we're going to do a rapid-fire challenge. I'll ask you 5 questions. Answer each one out loud. Don't pause too long. Ready? Share. Question 1. What time do you usually wake up? Question 2. What do you normally do after work or school? Question 3. What's your favorite food? Share. Question 4. What is one thing you want to improve about yourself? Question 5. Why are you learning English? Excellent. If you answered all 5 questions in English, you just completed a real speaking exercise. And remember this, you don't need to speak English perfectly before you start speaking. You become better because you speak. Every mistake is practice. Every sentence makes you stronger. Every conversation makes the next conversation easier. And now, Tom has one final challenge for you. I want you to speak for 30 seconds without stopping. Talk about your day. Start like this. Today I woke up at. Then continue. I went to. After that, I. Later, I. And tonight, I'm going to. Don't worry about grammar. Don't stop. Don't translate. Just speak. And if you make a mistake, keep going. Because confidence doesn't mean you never make mistakes. Confidence means you keep speaking even when you make them. If you've completed all 7 days of this English challenge, I'm genuinely proud of you. But don't stop here. 7 days can start your journey. Daily practice will change your English. So from today, make one promise to yourself. I will speak English every day, even for 5 minutes. Even when I'm alone. Even when I make mistakes. Because one day, you'll notice something amazing. You're no longer translating every sentence. You're no longer afraid to speak. You're simply speaking English. It's a Tom. And this is the end of day 7. But hopefully, it's not the end of your English journey. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And most importantly, don't wait to become confident. Speak until you become confident. See you in the next video, Speaking English.